Because of that, I was so hopeless. I thought that don't make it about yourself, that there is some problem in you. No. I can understand English, but I couldn't speak. The reasons and what are the solutions we are going to discuss in this video. Whenever we want to start our English speaking journey, the first question comes in our mind that I know English as a subject and maybe I can speak. The first thing is that we are in confusion. We are not clear about the truth. And what is the truth is that we know English as a subject. English speaking is a skill. It's not totally depend on knowing that subject. What do I mean? Suppose when we are studying English as a subject, so you can memorize so many things and you can give exams and you can get numbers very easily. But when it comes to speak with someone, so that is not something just about writing on the paper. You are going to interact with someone, you can feel different kind of emotions and you have to show different kind of emotions also. So this clarity is very important. Whenever you are going to start, it's important that you should be clear. Most of the time I was in the same illusion that because I know English as a subject and I was so good grammar rules also. So most of the time I thought that I could speak. But when it came to speak in PTMs or receptions, I never felt comfortable. We think that I know English. But when we go somewhere and we couldn't speak, we start to judge ourselves. We feel that there is something wrong in me. There is some problem in me. But the reality is totally different. And what is the reality is that, of course, you are knowing it as a subject, but you never practice it. You never did it before, So we have to understand that there is a difference between English as a subject and English as a speaking skill. The same thing I did for a long time. I thought that there is some problem in me, Because of that, I was so hopeless. I thought that I am not good enough if I can't do it. I was making it about me, that there is some problem in me. But the reality is different. When I started working on my communication skills and when I got this kind of insight that this is totally different to know English as a subject. So you have to understand it. Don't make it about yourself that you know English but you can't speak, so there is some problem in you. No. You have to practice it. You have to do it again. Second reason is that what I found, when you start to learn any skill, what happened in that moment that first your mind optimize all the things. For example, now I am learning riding my scooty. I am learning right now. So how to ride scooty. So what I am doing, I am just doing very little things like how can I take accelerator, and then how can I handle it slowly. I'm not going outside in my baranda, I'm doing this, okay? So what's going on in that situation? My mind is working, even body is looking outside, but my mind is optimizing. So when I do it at least for 15 days or 1 month or 2 months continuously, when I do it, so automatically my body and my brain, my mind will work together. So whenever it will come to take break, whenever it will come to give horn, so all those things, so there will be a combination of my mind and body. We need practice. So the same logic is applicable here. If you want to speak it, you have to do practice. So in the beginning, what will happen that your mind will work. And when you practice again and again, you start to understand that where should I take pause and where should I use this sentence and that sentence. Every kind of things will come in your journey when you start it. So most of the time when we think that I know it as a subject, but why couldn't I speak? There is some problem in me. But the reality is different because you are not doing it every day and you are not practicing it. That's why you are feeling those kind of things in that situation. So first of all, you have to understand that English speaking is a skill. Second thing, you have to understand that there is alignment, there is a combination of your mind and body. Definitely as a subject you know, but as a speaking skill you don't know, and you never tried it, you never do it. And it's an active action, you know. When you are studying, when you are reading something, there is no need to interact with someone. But when you are speaking, so why do you want to speak? Why do you want to learn speaking? Because you have to interact with someone, okay? So here it's important to practice interacting with someone, and you can start with yourself. As I share in my previous video, you have to watch that video, that how can you start your English speaking. At this note, I want to stop my video, and I hope you are getting it helpful. And if you are getting it helpful, please comment in comment box, and like and share and subscribe, and share with people who wants to start their English speaking journey. Thank you so much.